one of our goal why we build SaaS is una, yun nga, to earn passive recurring income. So yung meaning ng passive recurring income, pumapasok siya, recurring, di ba? So pumapasok siya ng paulit-ulit. So it means it can be weekly, monthly, yearly, and so on. So now, aside from the recurring income na ma-earn mo as a SaaS owner, you can also build a scalable business and also a digital business. Because 'di ba mas okay yung digital when you are starting kasi yung cost niya hindi mo pa kailangan at first ng mga building, hindi mo pa kailangan ng location, hindi mo pa kailangan ng mga equipments if ever nasa bahay ka lang. So if ever mag-hire ka ng employees, hindi necessary yung mga bagay na yon. Unlike if you're really offering like a product, a tangible product, kailangan mo mag-build ng mga makina to operate as well as the equipments, the building, and all of those things na kailangan mo pang i-prepare bago mo maibenta yung tangible product na yon. But for us, na andito tayo sa freelancing industry, we are advantage natin na merong mga digital products na pwede nating mabenta. And pasok doon si SaaS. So for those hindi pa alam kung ano yung meaning ng SaaS, SaaS means Software as a Service. So yun, paulit-ulit natin yung maririnig dito sa Go High Level, Software as a Service. So now, if you are building your SaaS from scratch, what are the possible risk? Ano ba yung possible risk if nagbi-build ka ng sarili mong SaaS? Now, the first risk or the first investment na kailangan mong i-prepare yung sarili mo is the expenses. So, building your own SaaS from scratch can be expensive, di ba? Magbabayad ka ng monthly. Especially, let's say, like, eto na, example natin si Go High Level. Magbabayad ka ng monthly subscription. So, you can start with the $97 and then manual, ano nga lang siya, manual billing sa client mo, and then just need to sell the dalawang sub-accounts kasi yung isa gagamitin mo, di ba? So yung dalawang sub-accounts, yun yung pwede mong maibenta for the 97. And then, kung mabenta mo na yung dalawa, pwede kang mag 297. So yung 297, unlimited na siya. So pwede mo ding ibenta yung other sub-accounts na available. So pwede, possible pa din siya mag-work. And then, hanggang umabot ka sa part na pwede mo na siyang, pwede ka na mag-subscribe nung $497 per month, which is, meron ng SaaS configurator. Wherein, yung SaaS configurator, siya na yung automatic bibigay mag-create ng sub-account and magbibigay ng access dun sa nag-purchase ng sub-account. So, main requirement lang dun is kailangan meron kang payment process. Like, for example, yung bago lang nating kaka-approve na Stripe. So, first na risk if you're building a Go High Level white labeled SaaS is the expenses. It can be expensive. Kasi nga, subscription and also, let's say for example, since JHL expert naman tayo, we can adjust dun sa mga technical part. Pwede natin gawin yun. But, yung mga marketing, and it can also be expensive for marketing as well as the operation. Kung kailangan mo na ng support team to guide your clients kung paano gamitin yung platform. So, it can be expensive. A lot of cost yung kailangan to start a SaaS na malaki or like SaaS na gusto mo na talaga siyang i-offer as a commercial na product. Now, the next is complicated to manage. If you are also building a SaaS and then nag-grow si SaaS, nagkaroon ka ng mga clients, the next challenge that you need to adjust is how you can be able to manage your client na magbabayad sila per month na hindi sila maiiwan or hindi sila yung tinatawag na churn na dapat hindi sila aalis within just 1 month lang ng subscription. Dapat meron silang mafe-feel nila na they have support dito sa SaaS na to. So kailangan mo mag-manage kasi di mo kaya gawin yun alone, di ba? So like you need to get people para tulungan ka to manage the SaaS. So that's another consideration kapag magbi-build ka ng SaaS. And then the last part, if nag-grow na talaga yung SaaS, there's also a chance na overwhelming without having a support. So yun nga, necessary talaga na kailangan mo magkumuha ng team members para mag-manage ng SaaS as well as yung support din na involved for that. But with all of this consideration in building our SaaS, what if I tell you na there's a possibility na ma-introduce tayo dun sa SaaS model? Kasi nga, di ba, gusto natin magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating SaaS, and I highly recommend you guys na na i-expose yung sarili ninyo into the SaaS industry. Why? Because regardless if right now hindi mo pa nakikita yung opportunity ng SaaS, kapag ini-expose mo na yung sarili mo for those people na nag-e-engage sa SaaS industry, let's say for example sa akin, sa Funnel Genie, makikita mo yung mga potential na pwede mong i-build paunti-unti, step by the step, 'di ba? Step by the step. Yun yung ano natin. So let's say for example, I'm a funnel builder. And funnel builder ako, and yung mga projects ko ngayon, most of them, meron na silang sariling mga agency account. Pero what if yung mga na-encounter kong client na wala pang sarili nilang account sa Go High Level, wala pang agency or wala pang white label na sub-accounts? So, if you are building your own SaaS, pwede mo nang ikaw mismo yung magbenta sa kanilang sub-account, and then they can be charged monthly with that. Yun nga, we also need to consider yung mga risk and yung mga involved na kailangan, like itong expensive, complicated to manage, overwhelming support. But the idea is, gusto natin, para mas ma-feel natin itong mga risk na to, gusto natin, di ba, ma-expose muna tayo sa SaaS. And right now, itong gustong i-build sa GHL Champs na we can still generate income similar to a SaaS model without the expenses, complexities typically involved in managing one. So, dun papasok si affiliate program. So far, nakasunod ba? So it means, ang affiliate kasi, the idea is, kami yung may-ari ng SaaS, kami yung of course, kami may-ari ni Funnel Genie, but we will share the earnings, the earning per month sa'yo as someone who refer the client to our system or to our software, to Funnel Genie. So, technically, you own a certain amount of parang you own Funnel Genie to a certain degree, kumbaga. So, nagigets ba siya so far? Nagigets ba yung And why I'm also exposing you to this idea, because the goal for us sa JHL Champ is for you to also build your own SaaS. Kasi nga, 'di ba, gusto nating step by the step lahat. Meron tayong goal for the next 5 years. Meron tayong goal for the next 4 years. Ngayon kasi marami pang kailangan i-break through. Like, kailangan mo pa ng Stripe, kailangan po ng ganito, ganyan. Pero for sure, in the next few months or in the next few years, magsisilibasan na yung mga solusyon na yan. And by that time, na nagsilabasan na yung mga payment gateways na pwede na sa Philippines, yung mga bagay na yan, gusto ko na andun na kayo sa part wherein ready na kayo to build your own SaaS. And right now, what I can say is that Funnel Genie is the easiest first step for you sa SaaS journey ninyo in the near future. Kasi nga, may expose kayo sa SaaS model as well as you can earn the similar earning potential ng isang SaaS, di ba? So, ito yung gusto nating i-explain sa lahat na this is not just an affiliate program for us na mag-grow si Funnel Genie, but this is also to get you involved and ma-expose kayo sa idea ng SaaS model. Na as of right now, gusto ko lang maging gusto ko lang maging JHL expert, automation expert, funnel builder, and all of those things. But paunti-unti, you will also, kasi pwede nyo, very flexible si SaaS, na pwede nyo siyang idagdag sa kahit anong services. Pwede niyo siyang idagdag as an automation expert. Pwede kayong mag-tap ng mga bagong mga bagong businesses na wala pa silang automation. Ipakita ninyo kung anong kayang gawin ni Go High Level, which is yung Go High Level, winite label niyo na, 'di ba? So, papasok nyo na yung account nila sa sarili ninyong SaaS. Hindi na sa Go High Level directly. So, pwedeng possible na ganun. And then, why I'm saying na Funnel Genie can be your easiest first step is that you can start earning from similar to a working SaaS model, no tech or setup or upfront cost na kailangan since kami yung nag-handle ng mga cost, kami nag-handle ng management. Ang kailangan mo lang talang gawin is to connect with us, with your clients or with someone you know na kailangan ng sub-account sa GHL. And also, learn the business while getting paid monthly. So, would you like to know paano nag-start si Funnel Genie? Gusto niyo bang malaman before we doon tayo ay alam ko interested kayo sa sa package or sa prices natin, 'di ba? Yes, okay. I'll give you a history ni Funnel Genie. So I subscribed to an agency account way back November 2023. So 1 year mahigit na, 1 year and siguro, ano ba, November, December, January, February, March, April. So 1 year and 5 months na si Funnel Genie. So when I subscribe to Funnel Genie, meron akong isang local client which is si Coach Mon. Si Coach Mon is the first subscriber ni Funnel Genie. And that time kasi, yung client ko sa GHL is a SaaS owner. And sa akin, gusto kong ma-involve kasi business model siya. 'Di ba? May business model siya and ako medyo meron I would say business minded ako. And I like the idea of SaaS. Kaya nag-try akong mag-subscribe ng $97 per month. And then by that time, tinap ko si Coach Mon and sabi ko, Coach Mon, would you like to get a sub account from me? And then lilibrihin kita ng isang funnel for your program. Kaya yung funnel ni Coach Mon na merong gold button, I'm not sure if it's still the same funnel yung ginagamit niya ngayon, but like 1 year and a half na siya almost. So, ako yung gumawa nun. So, from a funnel builder, inoferan ko siya with a funnel service plus a sub-account. Ang bayad sa akin ni Coach Mon that time, I forgot, siguro around 3K or 2.5, something ganyan. So, 2.5, including the design as well as the subscription per month. So yung subscription per month, yung design, swerte, 'di ba? Advantage na sa kanya kasi kung design alone, masyadong maliit yung 2.5. Design, setup, automation and everything, masyadong maliit yung 2.5 for a sales funnel. Pero my idea is, gusto ko lang talagang makapag-start ng SaaS. So, when I started SaaS way back then, nabenta ko yung first sub-account for, I think, 2.5 per month. So, magkano yung 2.5 per month? Basta, around that, 2.5 per month. So, it means, yung ginagasto kong $97 per month sa SaaS, bawi ko na yung 2.5, which around $50. So, ang kailangan ko na lang is another $50 na subscription para break even ako sa monthly expenses. So, kailangan ko na lang ng another $50 na subscription to break even, di ba? Kasi $97 per month binabayaran ko kay Go High Level. And then, si Coach mo nagbayad na sa akin ng $50 per month. So, kailangan ko na lang ng another $50 or let's say $47 para mag-break even na ako sa $97 per month na binabayad ko kay Go High Level. So, the next client na nakuha ko is si Ma'am Je dito sa amin. Local pa din. And then from that client, nagbayad sila ng $97 per month. Yung binayad nila, same inclusion. Ginawan ko sila ng isang sales funnel din. So $97 per month sales funnel and then kay Coach Mon $50 per month. Sales funnel din, plus the sub-account. So, with that, meron na akong profit na around $47. Or, around $50, ganun. Around $50. So, ang profit ko na $50, I decided na mag-subscribe ng 297. Ang 297, yun yung USD, yung kay Coach Mon, 25 pesos. 2,500 pesos. So, around $50 din. Yung pangalawang sub-account kay Ma'am Je is $97 per month. So, $97, that's around 5, 3, basta around that amount. So, the idea is, so far, nag-ano naman siya, matagal ako naka-break even sa 297 when I subscribe to the another unlimited sub-accounts. Matagal ako naka-break even. Naka-break even ako siguro when I started the Go High Level Champ. Yung ino-offer ko na yung sub-account before. Manual activation and so on and so on. And then, the last year, October, nag-upgrade ako dun sa $497 per month na SaaS plan. So, ang kaibahan nung 297 sa 497, yung 497 meron ng SaaS configurator. Wherein yung SaaS configurator, pwede mo na siyang iset up na automatic yung pag-create ng mga sub-accounts. So, hindi na siya yung tinatawag nating activation. So, hindi na siya ganun as of now. Automatic na once they pay, kasi meron akong Stripe, di ba? Once they pay, automatic na ma-access na nila yung sub-account nila. So, when I started the my SaaS journey, matagal bago ako naka-breakthrough sa break-even and then lugi for siguro mga 6 to 8 months na kailangan kong mag-tap ng siguro mga $150 on top of the existing na pumapasok na na monthly subscription from the existing sub accounts. So kailangan nag-aabono pa ako mga 6 to 8 months. And then dumating si JHL Champs, and then paunti-unti from I think umabot ng batch 3 bago naka-break even sa 297, and then umabot ng siguro mga batch 6 bago naka-break even, or mga batch 8 break even sa $497 per month, kasi tig $10 lang, di ba? So ilang sub accounts kailangan mo to break even. So right now, this month lang, I got my Stripe account. So nag-avail tayo ng Stripe Atlas, ito. Pakita ko na sa inyo, I'm very transparent kasi nga I really want to help you guys build your own SaaS. But as of now, na gusto nyo pang mas safe na route and first step, ito muna yung affiliate program ang masasuggest ko for you to try. And ito, Stripe Atlas, ayun, meron na tayong sariling LLC. We're just waiting for our EIN or yung tax natin. But if you want to get a Stripe account from the Philippines, and then follow nyo lang yan, yung Stripe Atlas, and then magbibigay sila ng instruction kung paano nyo mabibuild yung LLC ninyo, as well as the documents na kailangan ninyong ibigay, and also the $500 na payment for this whole year. And then for the next year, meron din payment na $100 per year. So yun nga, again, balik tayo dito. If in building a SaaS, especially from the Philippines, it is quite challenging. But with this affiliate program na gagawin natin, we will take the challenging part and the expenses part sa inyo, and we will do it on our part, kasi nga na-build na namin siya years ago, or kasi medyo alam na namin kung saan kaming road papunta. Kumbaga, meron na kaming pathway. So ngayon, we are opening our affiliate program for those champs and network ng champs na interested to offer Funnel Genie. So as of now, we have only one pricing, which is the DIY plan. So DIY monthly na $97 kasi yan yung minimum na advertising price ni Funnel Genie, ni Go High Level, yan yung nasa terms and condition. na minimum advertising price dapat yung 97. So if we are offering the $10 or the other pricing na meron tayo, hindi yun pwedeng gawing ads. Hindi siya pwedeng i-promote, hindi siya pwedeng i-bigay na pricing basta-basta. So yun lang yung pricing inside our community. 'Di ba? Pero for the $10, wala yung affiliate commission. So itong $97, dito yung first price nung affiliate program natin sa Funnel Genie. Wait lang, ano ba tong and $50? So, ito yung ang 97 first price, but meron pa tayong dalawa pang pricing para pwede ninyong ma-offer si Funnel Genie. Depende if it's a local client, if it's a startup, and everything. So for the 97, ideal for business owners who do it with your own support. Kasi nga, DIY plan siya. Meaning DIY, do it yourself. So, ang ano na talaga namin dito is, wala pa siyang 24/7 support. Now, we are building a support team, pero dun lang sa management part. Management, sa mga requests. Example, gusto niyo mag-request ng mga snapshots. So, we're building 1 to 2 people para mag-manage sa loob. But for the customer support, technical support, ang expectation namin, ito, to be honest lang, expectation namin is kayo mismo yung gagawa ng tech side, yung technical support side, dun sa ni-refer ninyo. Why? Because, ang ano dito, bakit exclusive lang din siya sa JHL Champs? Kasi most of us are go high level experts, di ba? Marami sa atin go high level experts or we already know go high level. So, it means hindi na namin kailangan mag-onboard na client kasi you know how to do it, go high level expert ka. So, yun na nga, aside from that, ang ino-offeran lang din ni Funnel Genie, dun lang talaga na mga champs or network ng champ na JHL expert and then ino-offer nila sa client nila. Since JHL expert ka, if ever meron kang tanong, pwede ka naman magtanong sa portal or sa community natin, then yun yung way that we can assist and give you technical support. Pero um in terms of client to the software, meron namang support para hindi yun nga, hindi pa siya 24/7. Siguro we can build 24/7 mga 6 months from now. Kasi magbi-build din kami ng team. But as of now, just to set the expectation, if ever meron kayong i-offer na sub-account user ni Funnel Genie, make sure na kayo mismo yung magsiset up ng account niya and not someone na hindi marunong. Kasi mahirap yun, di ba? Kasi nga DIY plan siya, do it yourself plan lang siya. Okay, so now coach, what if si client hindi afford yung 97 or kukuha na lang kami kay JHL kasi same price lang naman. Eto na yung exciting part. Okay? So, you can earn 30 to 40% recurring commission by simply sharing Funnel Genie. And paano siya gagawin? So, I'll show you the 3 pricing. Pricing muna ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, with this one, this is how much you can make as well as yung pricing model ni Funnel Genie as of today. So, DIY plan, we only have one plan. Pero itong plan na to, there are 3 possible prices. So, ito, explain namin bakit merong 3 possible prices. So, if you can offer Funnel Genie for $97 per month, ang makukuha mong commission rate is 40%. Again, if kaya mong i-offer si Funnel Genie for $97 per month, ang makukuha mong commission rate is 40%. So that's around $39, $38 every month as long as nagbabayad si client sa amin. And no worries with the system kasi naka-stripe naman tayo, we can track it by using a system na, hindi na manually. Matatrack nyo na, meron na kayong portal and everything. And the next part is, coach, what if hindi afford ni client yung 97? We will give you a code. Bibigyan kayo ng code para pwede nyo na siyang i-offer for the $79 per month. Pero, since bumaba yung price, merong discount, bumaba din yung commission rate to 30%. So magkano ba yan? 30% of 79? Basta mga around 20 plus. And then, let's say for example, coach, parang hindi talaga kaya ni client kasi local PH business. Hindi kaya yung $79 per month. Now, for the local business here in the Philippines, kasi alam natin, most of them startups, most of them Filipino pricing, di ba? Gusto natin yung mura. So, ito na yung pinakamababa na pwede nating ma-offer for local business. Yung $47 per month and then 30% commission rate mapupunta sa'yo. So, meron tayong code. Bibigay namin yung code sa inyo. It's either the 47, 79, or 97. Depende na kung ano yung pricing na gusto ninyong ibigay kay client. So far, nasundan ba guys? Do you get the idea bakit tatlo yung pricing natin sa DIY plan? Naka-follow ba sa idea ng pricing? Yes. Do you like something like this o gusto niyo lang yung one pricing lang yung i-offer? Ayan. Do you like it something ganito? Yung pagka-set up ng pricing? Goods. Tatlong pricing and then just one plan. Similar plan lang sila, same inclusion. Mataas na yan na commission. Yes, oo, tinataasan talaga namin ang commission para win and win. Win-win sa atin, di ba? Win-win sa part namin, win-win din sa part din sa inyo. Same po ba yung link coach sa 30 days free trial? No bro, hindi to 30 days free trial. Yung 97, yan yung unlimited. Unlimited features, unlimited sub-accounts? No, unlimited features. Yes, lahat ng ma-access mo sa normal na Go High Level account, ma-access mo din sa $97 per plan. Ay ito sa $97 per month natin. So, ito yung mga um possible income yung makukuha ninyo. So start tayo sa $79 per month with the 30% commission rate. So yung 30% commission rate, that's for the $79. Now, meron kang incentive if kaya mo siyang ma-offer for the $97 per month kasi 40% na siya. So balik tayo dito sa $79. Kung $79, 5 referral, that's 118.50 pesos per month. And yearly, you can go up to $1,422. Now, kung 10 referrals naman, you can get $237 per month and then you can also get $2,844 per year yung potential niya. Now, let's say for example, kung $20, 20 referrals, $472 per month and then the 5,688 yearly income yung pwede mong makuha. Now, coach, ang dami naman yan. Ang liit lang nung monthly earnings. If wala kang binabaya, if ito yung existing client mo, wala kang cost involved in subscription sa pag-subscribe ng Go High Level account. This is already a win-win sa iyo, 'di ba? Kasi wala ka namang passive income nga siya. So wala kang expenses involved, wala kang other ginawa kundi i-share lang yung link sa client mo. Kasi yung paggagawa mo ng task sa client using the account, bayad ka naman per hour or per project dyan, 'di ba? Separate yan yung sa service mo. Pero yung software part, na hindi mo na kailangan mag-build ng sarili mong SaaS, this is already a good opportunity for you. Gawa na ng sales funnel yan. Oh, if you are offering a sales funnel, tapos ilagay nyo to sa pricing model ninyo na $97 per month, mapupunta sa inyo yung 40%. Pero yung beta client ko na nagbayad siya ng sub-account niya, $40 USD lang. Gusto ko sana siya palipatin sa Funnel Genie. Pwede bro, if ever gusto niya Funnel Genie. Complete features and 3 sub-accounts for $97, right? How about the other prices? No, iba yung $97 na agency account kay GHL. Iba po yun. Ito, sub-account lang po to. One sub-account. Yes po. Sorry na late. Ano pong difference or inclusion ng bawat pricing? Wala po. Walang different inclusion. Ang Ang ano lang dito is kung paano mo i-offer. Kung ano yung kaya mong i-offer sa client. Let's say for example, meron akong client na potential. Hello client, would you like to avail GHL as of now? Kasi ang nasa Kajabi pa tayo. So if you would like to try Go High Level, here's a Go High Level white labeled SaaS na pwede na we can get unlimited snapshots. Ayun, unlimited snapshots. I also know the community that's handling this white labeled SaaS. And then from there you can share your link. And then kung mag-subscribe si client ng 97, 40% mapupunta sa'yo. Monthly. Monthly yan. Now, if sabihin ni client, bakit magna $97 tayo bakit magna $97 tayo sa Funnel Genie? Pwede naman natin kunin sa Go High Level. Now, dun mo pwedeng ipasok. Okay. The management told me, di ba, that there's a discount for us if you want to get a sub-account. Kasi most of the client, hindi naman nila kailangan yung agency account na merong 3 sub-accounts. Gusto lang nila i-try as of now. So, dun nyo pwedeng ipasok yung discount code. Yung discount code, ibibigay namin sa inyo. We have a slide for that. Na dun nyo pwedeng i-offer si $79 per month. And then, since this is also a discounted price, 30% na lang siya. So, kung kaya nyo ma-offer si 97, 40%. Mas malaki yung percentage as well as mas malaki yung amount na makukuha ninyo. And then kung hindi talaga kaya, let's say for example, Pinoy business owner, then dun na papasok si $47 per month na for local business. And then 30% pa din yung commission rate ninyo. What if si client agency owner? Meron tayo bibigay na scenario later on. Okay. So far, nagets naman siya. Nagets naman yung 3 pricing. Hindi ba maapektuhan ng funnels pag nag-transfer from other GHL SaaS? If okay si first agency owner na i-transfer yung buong sub-account, then we can give you the relationship number ng Funnel Genie. Basically, pag mas mataas mo siya binenta, mas malaki yung commission mo. Yes, that's right. Pero wala talaga siyang differences. Correct po ba? Yes, tama po. KD. Yung tatlong pricing, the same plan lang sila. As you can see, DIY plan lang din sila lahat. Pero you can negotiate the price. So kung kaya nyo mabenta within normal pricing na 97 regular price, then mas malaki yung commission rate na makukuha ninyo, which is 40% of 97. That is, compute na nga natin. How much ba? 97 times 0.4. 38.8 USD per month. So it means, kung meron kang Funnel Genie training account, meron ka pang profit na another $28 per month. Now, Coach, gusto kong mag-certified admin. Dito na papasok yung another benefit for you. Coach, gusto kong mag-certified admin. So, how much is the monthly subscription ng certified admin? 97. So, how much affiliates yung kailangan mong ma-refer sa Funnel Genie to get the $97? So, let's say, times 2 natin to. So, tatlong $97 per month na affiliate, yun na yung pwedeng magbabayad ng $97 per month mo sa certification, sa Go High Level Certified Admin. Kasi 30, this slide, di ba? Certification, ayan, $97 per month, di ba, yung nila dito. Yan. So, kung kaya mong mag-generate ng monthly commission, ng monthly affiliate commission, hanggang umabot siya ng $97, then basically, wala ka nang nilalabas na pera for the certified admin. So, yung earning mo sa affiliate, pwede mo na siyang i-certified admin. Yung $97, same sa GHL na sub-account, hindi po. Yung $97 na dito is the one sub-account lang. One sub-account pero all of the features are available. Lahat ng features available. Gets na ba siya, guys? Can you type 1 if gets and then we can move on dun sa scenario kung kailan natin i-offer yung tatlong pricing? Can you type 1? Ayan. The goal is kumita ng extra. Yes, yes. Ayan. Okay. So, magbe nagbibinata na naman siya. Magkaiba yung 97 na agency account at 97 funnel genie for commissions. Yes. Magkaiba si Go High Level. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Go High Level. Magkaiba po to. Ayan. Magkaiba tong $97 ni Go High Level. Ayan. Magkaiba po to and magkaiba tong $97 per month ni Funnel Genie. In terms of feature, ito, agency account to. Ito, sub-account lang to. Sub-account lang po to kasi sub-account yung sa amin, di ba? Sub-account yung Funnel Genie. I mean, agency account yung Funnel Genie. So, yung binibenta namin is the sub-accounts lang. Unlike with this one, agency account to kay Go High Level. Yes, po, recorded po to. Pero, ang benefit sa'yo, instead of getting the $97 per month kay Go High Level, pwede mo na siyang kunin kay Funnel Genie with the 40% commission. That is, babalik sa'yo yung $38 per month na binabayad ni client. Di ba, $97? So, 40% nun, mapupunta sa'yo. Instead of getting it kay Funnel Genie, walang mapupunta sa'yo. Do you get the idea of the affiliate and also the commission? Kasi ito ang kailangan mo to be a Go High Level, kailangan mo din ng affiliate program ni Go High Level, which is kailangan mo ng agency account. Sa local client lang i-offer? No. Kahit sa international client pwede. Eto, since yun na yung tanong ninyo, proceed na tayo dyan. So, ano ba yung mga scenario? Paano i-offer yung price? Ito muna, what is included in a Funnel Genie sub-account? Every sub-account has a full access to all core Go High Level features. Lahat ng na-access ninyo sa normal na JHL sub-account, ma-access nyo din dito sa Funnel Genie na sub-account. Like lahat. Kasi, meron naman tayong Stripe account, meron tayong rebilling, which is, yun na yung open na siya for all. Kahit mag-AI, magbili kayo ng phone number, all of those things, pwede na. So, how to sign up? Ito yung later, babalikan natin yan. So, client scenario. Ito yung tanong kanina, local client lang ba siya? Not necessarily local client. So, for example, your client is from Australia, scaling a program. Gumagamit kayo before ng Kajabi Active Campaign. Gusto mo siyang i-transfer sa Go High Level. Isi-set up mo yung account niya. Then, you can give him the sales page ng Funnel Genie with the $97 per month na plan. So, it means yung $97, yung 40%, mapupunta sa'yo. Now, if it's a virtual assistant or like agency or mga startup from US, and pwede mong ibigay yung $79 per month na plan and then give pwede mong ibigay yung sales page, ito yung same sales page, and then give the discount code na DIY79, which is yun yung discounted price na $79 per month na plan. So ito yung mga startup virtual assistant na nakalagay dito, but ito yung mga startup na businesses sa US. Yung 1 to 2 team members pa lang or kahit isa pa lang ikaw pa lang yung VA niya. Ito yung pwede mong ibigay na price sa kanya. Pwede mong sabihin na $97 per month to, but I have a discount code for $79. So yung discount code is DIY79. And then for example, local client. a spa owner from Quezon City or a marketing agency in Cebu. So dun mo pwedeng i-offer yung $47 per month na plan na with the discount code local 47. Pero etong mga discounted price, etong 79, etong 47, 30% na lang yung commission rate. Unlike with the $97 na 40% yung commission rate. So paano ba i-apply itong mga discounted pricing? 'Di ba? Ito yung Funnel Genie. So $97 per month talaga yung nakalagay dito. But if sasabihin mo kay client, I have a discount code. So kapag mailagay nyo dyan yung mga details ninyo, ayan, janvensaintrelampago@gmail.com, mailagay nyo yung details ninyo, and then add the discount code. Example, ito, monthly, 97 per month. So example, Loka DIY 79. So magkakaroon kayo ng coupon code and then $79 na lang siya. Per month na yan, hindi lang yan one time. Now, if ever yung local naman, yung $47, so same lang din, DIY 47. Local pala to, local 47. Ito yung code. Yan, local 47, $47 na lang siya. Makakasave kayo ng $50. So, $47 per month, 30% of the 47 mapupunta sa affiliate commission ninyo. So far, nakasunod ba? Nakasunod ba siya, guys? Matutuwa si client, pati ako. O, di ba? Ang kagandahan nitong discount code, para talaga siyang like, ginawa lang siya para sa iyo. Parang ganun. Para siyang incentive na part ka ng community, meron kang ganitong code. So pwede mo yung i-position kay client na I'm part of a Go High Level expert community in the Philippines and we have a discount code for the funnel for a Go High Level account. So doon mo pwedeng i-offer si 79 with you the 30% commission. O matutuwa din si client kasi may discount. Alright? So far, what do you think with this, guys? Do you like the idea or masyado ba siyang mahal? Kasi I think ito na yung best price na pwedeng ma-offer kay client na merong discount, merong regular price. Ito yung parang hinihit natin lahat ng requirements. Kasi 'di ba, the minimum pricing requirement na ina-advertise kay Go High Level is the 97. So yun yung dapat sundin natin. So $97 pa din. Pero we have an exclusive coupon codes or discount code inside our community. So na-hit din natin yung gusto nating cheaper price or discounted price dun sa client na offera natin. 'Di ba? Without violating the minimum advertising price ni Go High Level for SaaS. So, yan yung ito yung nakita naming solusyon for all of those things. And also to share the earning potential ni Funnel Genie. Alright? So, Coach, to be an affiliate, need to upgrade from training account to 97. No, hindi kailangan. No need to upgrade anything. For free, wala kayong kailangang wala kayong kailangang gawin. Kahit nga wala kayong account kay Funnel Genie, okay lang eh. As long as you're added as an affiliate. Comparatively kay JHL lagi ang explanation. Yes, you can also offer the 79 or 49. Meron ka ba ding 30% doon? Pero kung kaya mong Funnel Genie Ambassador. Funnel Genie Ambassador. Ayan, magandang title. And then, ito yung mga do's and don'ts. Sa mga papasok ng affiliate program. Do's, kailangan yung gawin is offer your unique affiliate link. Unique affiliate link, makukuha nyo siya once you sign up. Ipapakita natin later paano mag-sign up. Recommended based on client fit. So, mag-recommend kayo based on i-recommend the price based sa tingin nyo saan mag-fit si client. If it's the 79, it's the 47, or kaya nyong bentahan nung $97 per month. Tapos, be honest and transparent. So, if ever magtatanong si client, is this a go high level? Is this from go high level or white labeled SaaS? Tell them yes. Oo. Para maset yung expectation nila. And then also, don't forget na DIY plan siya. Do it yourself plan siya. It means walang 24/7 support pero merong nagsusupport dun sa concern and sa mga gusto nilang tanong or technical support sa Funnel Genie pero hindi siya kaagad, like hindi siya live na support. Meron siyang support but it can take like depende sa active hours ng mga admin. Kasi nagbi-build pa ako ng team for the admin ng Funnel Genie. Oo, and you're welcome, Tuti. Oo, guys. Actually, I just can scale Funnel Genie without building an affiliate program. Pero ang nasa isip ko kasi, aside sa gusto kayong ma-expose sa SaaS, pangalawa is, um, naisip ko na, aside from the job opportunities na meron tayo, mga business opportunities din, like passive income, hopefully, mag-grow tayo into agency owners na nagbibigayan na ng mga nagre-referan na ng mga services, like say for example si KD for funnel building, and then for me ako yung nagbi-build ng mga AI. So every time na merong i-upsell ko yung funnel building, ibibigay ko kay kay KD yung work. Yung mga ganong idea na meron tayong sarili nating agency, meron tayong mga services, and then if wala dun sa list of services natin, yung gusto or need ng client, then we can also refer them to our network inside Go High Level Champs. So, paunti-unti, siguro start tayo with the affiliate program, the business opportunities na pwede nating masishare sa bawat isa, and then hanggang mag-grow tayo in building our own agency, referrals, also hiring from the community, and yun, hindi natin alam, di ba? Like, hindi natin alam, umabot tayo ng batch 10 sa sa training program eh. 'Di ba? Nag-grow tayo ng ganito kadami ng members. So paunti-unti, step by the step para sumakses. Yan. So, ayun, siguro ito yung pwede natin pag laruan, and hindi naman siya too much effort from your side as well as for us, hindi din siya ganoon kalaking effort. And yun nga, this is a good start dun sa mga gustong ma-engage sa SaaS as well as the passive recurring income. Now, tools and support for affiliates. For all of the affiliates, meron kaming ibibigay din sa inyo na mga sample proposal, pwede ding email templates. Ito, working pa kami dito. So, paunti-unti. And then, promo materials. Soon, ilalagay din natin yung promo materials, access to a private support group, monthly updates and strategies na meron tayong sarili nating session wherein like mag-usap-usap, catch up, tas pwedeng basta marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin. Siguro ito lang yung first part, and then we can adjust, add more value to our group, to this group of people na gustong maging part ng Funnel Genie ambassadors, di ba? So, sino ba gusto ditong how to sign up, coach? Sino ba dito excited to sign up? Eto, meron pang tanong si Kath before, sorry, confirm ko lang po, for support, hindi sila pwede mag-ask support sa JHL directly. Need to contact Funnel Genie first. Yes po. Need to contact Funnel Genie na kasi white labeled siya. But siguro let's say, mga pinakamalayo na yung 5 months. Siguro mga 4 to 5 months from now, meron na kaming 24/7 support. Binibuild ko pa siya. Naghahanap pa ako ng people that will involve dun sa support part. And also the potential, kasi hindi kami pwedeng mag-hire ng mga support without the proper costing. Kasi 'di ba kung nagso-support kami tas hindi pala ganoon ka okay yung pasok kay Funnel Genie, lugi kami. So it's not a sustainable business. Pwede rin mag-reach out. Yes, exactly. Bakit ino-offer siya exclusively for JHL Champs? Pwedeng mag-reach out directly sa support natin, sa portal, or sa JHL Champ community. Kasi part na naman kayo ng Go High Level expert community eh. So, magre-reach out tayo dun kung if ever may mga kailangang gawin or kung directly part nung Funnel Genie, of course, kami talaga yung mag-handle nun. Pero if it's the part of paano mo gamitin yung mga features, then you can also ask our community. Nakasunod ba siya, guys? Coach, pwede ba isama to proposal document? Yes, actually, meron akong nagawang proposal document. Ibibigay ko sa inyo. Yes po. Ang 47 for local lang talaga yan, coach. Yes, Paul. Yes, bro. Mas okay na local lang yan. So, pwede mong i-offer for international client na discounted yung 79. Yes, mahirap i-convince yan since mas mababa siya sa lowest plan ni coach unless gusto kanyang tulungan magka-commission. Iniisip ko lang kasi tag $40 lang yung nakuha ng US beta client ko. Gusto ko sana talagang malipat siya. Okay, yan yung i-build natin paunti-unti. So what are the exclusive benefits kung mapupunta sila kay Funnel Genie? So soon, we can create, itong first benefit, makukuha, snapshot library. Meron tayong at least umabot na ng mga 70 plus snapshots na pwede nating ma-add sa account ninyo. And then the next thing is sooner magbi-build kami ng kapag okay na yung sa finance part magbi-build na nung 24/7 support team na you can have anytime kapag meron kayong concern dun sa sub-account ninyo. Pero as of now, we're still building, nag-adjust pa, may build pa from the step 1, step 2. So, yun yung siguro mga step 5 na gano'n. Nauli ako, need ko watch replay. You know where, Kim? Pang malakas ang ambassador, ano pong halimbawa ng support na mabibigay namin coach at ano yung mga limitations? Like, yung exactly anong ginagawa nung isang GHL expert. So, limitation nun kung meron ng problem dun sa sub-account. Like, let's say for example, coach, bakit hindi namin ma-access namin yung phone services? Baka naka-turn off sa agency setting mo. So yun, pwede namin ma-discuss. Or let's say for example, magtatanong ka, coach, bakit hindi namin ma-approve yung A2P and all of that? Then pwede din. Kahit yung mga normal question na tinatanong natin sa champs, pwede niyo yung maitanong sa champs and also maitanong sa Funnel Genie. Oo. Makita ko na si. Support local base $49 only for local clients. Oo. Go for the 47 for local clients. Kaya na nila yun, guys. 47 is like 2K. And then, marami ka mo naman pwedeng i-offer sa kanila aside from the sub-account. Pwede mo naman silang i-offer ng mga funnel building, automation, calendar setup, ganun. Ayan. So, how you can sign up? Ito yung sign up process. So, you can sign up to this link, funnelgenie.io/affiliate. So, ito yung funnelgenie.io/affiliate. And then, from there, kapag i-click mo yan, mapupunta ka dito sa affiliate page. So, earn 30 to 40% recurring commission by simply sharing a tool you believe in. And then, become an affiliate. Lalabas yung sign up form. Lagay mo lang name, last name, email, and then how did you hear from this affiliate program? I'm currently a JHL Champ trainee. So, ito on Facebook. And then, sign up as an affiliate. Pagka-sign up mo, sisendan ka nung confirmation email. Pagka-sign up, sisendan ka nung confirmation email. Wait lang, kasi ayan, welcome to Funnel Genie Affiliate Program. Check your email. Gamit tayo ng ibang email kasi na-try na gamit ko na tong email to. So, let's try a different email. John Real Example, this one, jv@janvmedia.com. Etong email ko na to, and then, sign up as an affiliate. I will share my screen para makita ninyo yung back-end. Ayan, entire desktop. Ayan. So, etong working, ito, Janvi Media. Tapos, ayan. So, ito yung email na marireceive ninyo. Show images. So, hi John, we are happy part of the JHL Champs affiliate program. Use the unique link. Ito, Funnel Genie homepage. Ayan, ito yung unique link mo. Pero, pwede mo ba itong ma-edit? Pwede ma-edit tong unique link. So, itong portal, papasok ka sa portal. Oop, wait lang. Let's see. Ayan. So, affiliate portal nung Funnel Genie. Okay. Ayan. So, sign up tayo sa portal using our ID. Ayan. Affiliate ID. Or you can sign up with Google. Pwede kayo mag-sign up with Google para doon nyo ma-add yung password niyo later yan. Para makapasok kayo without setting up the password first. Ito na, di ba? Mag-set up kayo ng password. Let's say, for example, password. Ayan. Ayan, no worries, i-edit namin ng portal. Ginawa na namin para mag-work siya. Ato, dito. Pwede nyong ma-edit yung customized referral link. Pwede nyong ma-edit dito ng uh, like JV lang. Ganun, di ba? So, save. Ayun, pwede nyo nang ma-edit itong referral link ninyo. So, copy. Every time merong gagamit nitong referral link, magre-reflect din sila. Ayan o, clicks, di ba? Nakita nyo, clicks, nag-update siya. So, mag-automatic din yan. And every time merong magsa-sign up, login page yan, ito. Papasok din siya dun sa system. Ay, bakit ba? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 1, 1. Ayan, kahit hindi pa mag-proceed, ma ano din yan. I think papasok din siya as leads. Ayan, automatic, 'di ba? Pumasok siya as lead and then the clicks. So dito niyo makukuha. And then for the payout method, you can add itong kagandahan, you can add your bank. Pwede na siyang mapasok pwede siyang um, directly to your bank account. Ayan. So Philippines. Ayan. So lagay niyo na lang yung details dito. So it can be PayPal or your bank account. So, ayan. Yan yung kagandahan. Tapos lalabas din yung commissions ninyo dito. I know kay Paul. Si Paul ba tong... Si Paul ba yung Meron ng isang commission na pumasok kay Paul. So, working na talaga yung process. Yung training account ba is only for enrolled students? Yes. Only for enrolled student. It can be sa simplified or dun sa in-depth. Kasi, kung i-offer mo yung sub-account, go for the 47 na. Huwag mo nang i-offer yung training account kasi hindi kasali yung sa affiliate yung training account. Bale, $10 lang talaga siya. Wala kang in return makukuha sa'yo. Recorded, yes po. Recorded po siya. Coach, yung mobile version ng header and footer, nagmo-move down. Wala sa center. Ay, sige. Update namin to. Sorry. Actually, ginagawa na namin bagong page, bagong funnel nitong ng Funnel Genie. Bagong sales funnel niya. But we will edit yung mga remaining parts. Monthly din po ba yung commission ko? Basta nakasub pa din si client? Yes, monthly. Monthly as long as nagbabayad. Yes po, Ma'am Megs, recorded po siya. Thank you, JK. Alright, so ganun yung process niya, guys. Ang kagandahan kasi hindi siya manual na affiliate kasi 'di ba? Pangit naman ng manual. Ito, system na lahat. Makikita nyo na dito sa affiliate portal. Alright? Okay, do you have questions pa ba? Do you have question, guys, like regarding with anything about the affiliate program, with the pricing and all of those things? Ano yung nakuha ninyo tonight? Do you like it or hindi natin gusto niyo ba to? Continue ba natin to? Love it. Ayan, si JK. Go for ayan, si JK. Sobrang supportive, oh. How about the others? Can you type 1 if go kayo? And then type 1.5 if so-so pa, coach. Ayan, Xavier. Thank you, Xavier. I mean, magbe-benefit din naman po ako dito. Opo, magbe-benefit. Once they subscribe, coach, automatic get their account. Yes, automatic na po. We have Stripe account na. Ayan. Okay. So guys, if you have push na, coach, less hassle na for us. Ayan na, si Nisa. Nag-build ka din ng SaaS mo, Nisa, di ba? Hindi mo siya, existing pa si client, nagbabayad pa siya sa'yo. Using Lemon Squeezy, yung payment gateway na gamit ko dati. Or hindi na. Okay na to. Sige. Kasi if ever na nagbabayad pa siya sa'yo, tapos hindi na, coach, oo. Hassle din, di ba? Kung walang maayos na payment method sa SaaS. Oo, kasi hassle. Ito, if ever gusto ni client ng ganito, wala na siyang hassle. Automatic na yung monthly payment sa card niya as well as naka-stripe na to. So, wala na, automatic agency na next year, coach. Ayun, oh, JK agency na. Great opportunity po to sa amin and clients. Yes, for us, everyone, great opportunity talaga siya, guys. Mas bet ko to, coach. Oo, mas okay to, no? Mas okay to. So, pag hindi nakaabot ng 5 yung commission, coach, hindi kami maka-payout. Not necessary. I think the minimum payout is $50. Wait lang. Ano ko yan? I, I-confirm ko yan, yung minimum payout. Confirm ko yung minimum payout, but I think na-check ko before $50 yung minimum payout. So, siguro mga dalawa or tatlong 47 na referral. Makaka-payout na kayo ng $50. Oo, magbe-build na ng agency. Actually, meron lang akong tinatapos ng mga, meron ng agency, to be honest. Pero, ngayon gusto namin mag-focus sa AI na mga delivery on mga services. Pwede isama sa package na i-offer. Yes, pwede mo siyang isama. Doon nga siya mas valuable kapag isasama nyo sa existing package ninyo ngayon, tapos i-offer nyo yung $97, lalo na mga migration task, mapupunta sa inyo yung 40 per month. Ayun, you're welcome, Paul. Sample package nga, coach, para may idea lang. Create tayo niyan. Maggagawa ko ng mga sample package. Let's say, for example, yung ginawa ko before, funnel building sa local. Ito, local, mas madali. Tap mo yung mga coaches ngayon, yung mga coaches na wala pang. That's also the next move that we will do. Yung mayroong mga templates and snapshot for specific industry. Example, coaches from the Philippines. Pwede akong gumawa ng snapshot sa manual payment process ko before. If ever wala pang send it, wala pang salig si client, salig pay, then you can use the manual payment process. Yung screenshot, and then from screenshot confirmation, meron akong automation yan before. Kasi kaka-approve lang nung Stripe ko, 'di ba? So, yan yung ginagamit ko for 7 months. Okay naman siya, wala naman siyang ganun ka ano. Depende na lang kung sobrang dami na yung ano, nung papasok na registration, yun na yung mahirap sa manual. Pero kung konti lang, sorry coach, pero ano ba yung snapshots? Medyo nalilito kasi ako. Snapshots are bundle of templates. Bundle of templates and then for a specific industry. Let's say for example, for coaches, yung bundle na yon, andun na yung email, andun na yung funnel or ang website, the form. Yung design nila, iisa na, same branding na. Pwede mong i-edit yung branding, yung colors, yung logo, and everything since template siya. And then the copy, the workflow, the pipelines, the ano pa ba, custom value, custom fields. So, nakabundle na siya, isang buong sets of templates specific for that industry. What are you going to do with snapshot codes? Sell them? Sorry, hindi pa nakikita ko rin. Ito. Snapshots are free for those who subscribe dun sa Funnel GD. Regardless kung 97, 79, or 47. Free sa kanila. So, request lang kayo ng snapshot dun sa Funnel Genie page. So, if you like to ask anything related to Funnel Genie, then you can also visit funnelgenie.com. Wait lang. Isi-search ko lang siya dun sa dito. Para hindi na ako mag-open ng ano, ng Facebook. Facebook. Ito yung page namin for your inquiries. Anything related to Funnel Genie. Ayan, this one. Ito. Message nyo lang to. If you want to, like, kung nakalimutan nyo saan mag-sign up nung affiliate, then message this. Coach, paano i-transfer ang existing funnels on website nila? You can ask the agency owner, the agency, example kung kayo yung ano, kayo yung agency owner, then pwede siya sub-account transfer. Pero kung hindi kayo yung agency owner, you can ask the agency owner if ever sub-account yung in-avail ninyo, and then ask them if possible ba yung sub-account transfer to another white label or to another agency account. If sabihin nilang yes, then the next step is kami yung ipoprovide namin yung relationship number namin dun sa agency owner na in-avail ninyo. Coach, ano yung 47? Yes, lowest subscription yun, Sir Rene. Lowest subscription with $30 per month. 30% commission per month. You're welcome, Joanna. All right, guys. I think that's the webinar natin. Sabi ko naman, di ba? Dapat 1 hour lang. Dapat 30 minutes, 45 minutes lang. Humaba ng humaba eh. Okay. Thank you so much everyone for your time. And if you have more questions, you can message me or our Funnel Genie page. And then, ayun yung, yan, siguro yun. And then again, if you if you want to sign up, search nyo lang funnelgenie.io/affiliate or I will put the link here. Yan. Do I need to walk through coach to local client na wala pang idea in JHL? Yes, you can walk through sa kanila. And then, next time, for the $97 per month, we will all, bibigyan na mag-ano na kami, open na yung onboarding ng team namin sa kanila. Siguro, let's just give mga 3 months from now na adjustment. Kasi binibuild pa talaga namin yung process doon sa SaaS. Kasi kailangan talaga maraming preparation sa SaaS, guys. Medyo ano siya, medyo madami siyang kailangang i-set up before selling the SaaS. But as of now, so far, yung operating, yung process ng Funnel Genie from checkout and everything, aside sa support, okay na po siya. The support, you can still message our page. Be patient lang sa time kasi as of now, ako and one another person na tinitrain ko yung nagre-reply doon. If you would like to request any snapshots sa existing account ninyo, it can be the training account or the 47, 79, or 97 plan, then message lang yung Funnel Genie page. So for the training account, 1 to 2 snapshots lang per sub-accounts. For the 47, unlimited or lagyan natin ng limit up to 5 to 10 snapshots. And then the 79 and 97, unlimited as long as may kailangan kayong snapshots. Then we can also upload it to your account. Alright guys, thank you so much for your time tonight. And hopefully, meron tayong makitang magandang oportunidad ito sa ginagawa natin. But yun nga, paunti-unti our always goal na payaman tayong lahat. Hindi lang hindi lang si coach, siyempre tayong lahat payaman. And also, again, if you are interested to build your own SaaS, and then feeling nyo ngayon, coach, meron akong nakikitang market na pwede kong bentahan. And siguro gusto kong mag-start with it, $97 per month. You can also message me. Pwede tayong mag-create ng another session for that. How you can start your own SaaS with just $97 per month. And then from there, I can share to you yung aside sa experience ko na-share ko kanina, ano pa yung other ways like the payment gateway, paano siya i-set up. But I would say, kung gusto niyo stress-free, kung gusto niyo wala nang hassle coach, i-share ko na lang yung link ni Funnel Genie. Same lang naman, merong monthly na recurring income. So, pwede din. Ito yung mas mabilis, mas walang hassle na pag-start ng SaaS journey ninyo. Alright, so, again, thank you so much. Tomorrow and Friday, since tomorrow is Holy Wednesday na ba? Tomorrow. And then Friday is Black Friday. Then, pahinga po muna yung checking natin for tomorrow sa portfolio. And then for Friday session, pahinga din po muna for the Holy Week na mga events. So balik tayo with the checking next Wednesday and also next Friday. And then if for those people na interested to join the first live training ni GHL Champs about AI and AI employees, so building your own chatbot, AI chatbots, voice AI with appointment booking, and all of those related to AI, we will discuss it on our face-to-face and the first Go High Level Champs training or event soon sa May 2. May 2 sa Manila. And then, meron akong pinost bago lang sa mga interested talaga to go. Then, mag-headcount kami kasi meron na kaming venue na nakita pero gusto naming i-confirm kung kaya ba nating umabot ng 50 packs or kung more, then maghahanap kami ng bigger venue. Pero kung by the end of the day, hindi siya lalagpas ng 50, then we can finalize. Pwede na naming senda ng down payment and then ipopost na namin yung registration page. So, details po, coach. Details May 2 and then more ang May 2 is the event and then for the tentative, hindi pa final na location, it will be ang location na hindi pa final, wait lang. Um, Wait lang, anong name nito? Nakalimutan ko yung event pero ano lang, 15 to I think basta 15 to 20 minutes away from the airport. So kung gusto kong kumuha ng hotel around the airport or other murang merong mga 1,200 around sa airport, then okay lang din siya kasi one event lang din. May link na ba coach? For the registration, pwede naming i-post tonight, pero i-confirm muna namin yung number of people para yung venue, ma-confirm na namin. So yung payment registration is 2K, inclusion ng 2K, lunch, meron ng lunch and snacks, as well as dun ko i-share yung snapshots for automated freelancer, which means from contract, proposal, yung pipeline na gagamitin, automation, um, everything. Kailangan mo to automate your from the discovery call to sending your proposal to sending your contract and to the next 50% of the contract automated na lahat. So naka-snapshot na siya. I-share ko siya doon. Aside from that, we will build an AI chatbot, voice AI, and then also the networking part. After nun is the networking part with other champs. So, doon natin i-discuss. Magkakaroon din po ba ng face-to-face AI automation class, coach? Doon po, magkakaroon ng AI automation class. AI setup and automation. May link na ba, coach? Whole day po ba? Whole day siya, 9 to 4 p.m. 9 to 4 p.m. yung event natin sa Manila. Baka gusto ninyong pumunta. 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. whole day po siya. Ipopost namin yung details. Ang last na lang talaga na kailangan namin to proceed with the final venue is the number interested, kahit yung interested lang. And then later tonight, kasi meron na kaming nagawang funnel, ipopost na namin yung final details. Lapag na coach, yung registration link, may pre-registration na po. Sige guys, yung pre-registration na lang ilalapag namin mga around 11 p.m. Lalapag namin 11 p.m. Wawa tayo, Chris. Tapos, the first 30 na magre-register will get the first merch. First merch, if nakikita ninyo, etong pin, Go High Level Champs pin that you can use for semi-formal events. Kung naka-tuxedo, naka-polo shirt, then you can add this kahit sa anong event na pwede niyong gamitin. And then you can network with other champs. So, ito yung identity natin. Kapag pupunta tayo ng mga event, makakita tayo ng ganito. Uy, champ ka pala. Mga ganun idea, di ba? So, you can get, for the first 30 na mag-register, meron kami ditong around 40 plus na mga pins, ibibigay namin doon. O, kapag nakatoksido yung mga sinishare natin na picture, eto. Eto, di ba? Ang ganda siya, guys. Very formal tignan, 'di ba? Etong maliit na pin dito sa right side, sa left side. Very formal siyang titignan and applicable for all like tuxedo coat and even this one. Etong mga polo shirts, pwede din siya lalagay mo dito sa collar ba name nito. Basta ito sa kwelyo ng polo shirt. So every time makakita tayo ng ganitong pin, automatic networking na yon. Uy, champ ka pala, di ba? Yun na yung automatic na icebreaker. Paabil yan. First 30 na mag-register dun sa event, ibibigay namin to for free. Medyo mahal yung pagkabili namin dyan, guys, kasi siya, ang tawag, ceramic ba? Basta magandang quality siya, like, basta magandang quality siya. Okay. So siguro yan lang and then see you next week.